Hello everybody, this is Jacob Rakowski. Two quick tips for you. Number one, I did a mixer today. Bob Upchurch here in League City, Texas did amazing. Stood up, told his story, did the presentation, and was just lights out. He did absolutely amazing. And he's got now 3 people that we actually booked to attend the next mixer. It was a first exposure for these people. They looked at the business and still had some questions. And I said, you know what? I'm going to give you the importance of why the wheel is so important. I said, you know what? Sounds like you guys have some questions and it sounds like you need some time to process. So what are you doing Tuesday? And they said, well, we have church. And I said, well, hey, Dr. Bob is the world expert. And it doesn't matter who you have, but edify somebody. And I say, this person knows all the information you need to know to make a decision here. I think you should come see them. And they said, well, we can reshuffle our plans. Let's do Tuesday. So had we not had another mixer scheduled, I would have just said, well, you know what? Think about it and get back with us. And guess what that would have meant? Nothing. Okay. But since today's Saturday and we have a meeting Tuesday, our next meeting is Monday, but they want to see Dr. Bob, so they're coming to the Tuesday. That's a decision they're going to make on that Tuesday night right there. And that's the value of a system. Okay. Number 2 was right after I said, after we got done talking business, I said, you guys want to go grab food? And all of them said, well, we have things planned today, but, we'd love to in the future. I said, how about after on Tuesday, we all go grab food? We all grab Mexican food. And they said, yeah, that would be so exciting, And this is my second tip, is that people want to spend time with you in this business, and they want to see that you're beyond just getting them started in the business. And the fact that I did that lets them know that, hey, you know what, this person actually does care, and they want to get to know me beyond just this business. And I think that really is going to confirm that they'll show up to the meeting on Tuesday. Finally, I said, when I was talking to them, I said, we have all this stuff going on all the time. We have fun days. We go to Top Golf, which is basically a driving range, just a very high-end driving range. We go bowling. We know bowling is. We go to the trampoline park. It's a ton of fun. And they said, I want to be a part of a fun group. I want to be a part of something fun. Man, my work is not fun. I want to be a part of something fun. And that brings the value to the fun day. Guys, so what we're doing is on purpose, and it is for a reason, and it works. Okay? Final thing, fourth thing I wanted to mention was I was just here at Home Depot purchasing some stuff, and I was checking out, and I ended up not finding a need for the business, so I sampled this lady, and her coworker came up and said, oh my gosh, guess what? I showed her a picture of somebody who had lost weight drinking the coffee, and she said, oh my gosh, that's amazing. How do I get more? I said, here, add me on Facebook, and we can connect in a couple days, and if you want more, I can show you how to get it. One tip is you show photos, but another tip is this. I said, what are you doing Tuesday? And she said, I'm off. And I said, you know what? I'm not sure if we have any seats, but let me invite you, or let me see if we have any availability, and I can invite you out to one of our coffee parties. You can see, because I know you had some questions about this coffee, you can see, what makes it so healthy and have some more free coffee. It's really brief. And she said, sure, I'll be there. Absolutely. Yeah, that'd be awesome, right? So 5 tips in there, a lot of them. 1, which would be, I'll go back through the order that I remember. 1, fun day, okay? 2, weekly schedule. 3 would be the showing photos, and 4, inviting to a coffee party if you're not leading with the business. If it's a person you're leading with the business with, then you invite them to the group interview. And I forgot my very first tip, but you probably remember it because you're watching this video and I'm filming it live, so I don't remember what I said at the very beginning of this video. But that's my tips for you guys. You're amazing, you're powerful, you're worthy, you are loved, and you are going to the top. Keep it OG, baby.